It seems rare these days, I know, but occasionally Amazon and Firestick add a feature that we actually quite like, which is we've been asking for, something which is actually quite useful. And I'm going to show you what the new feature is on your Fire TV device. First things first, if you're interested in streaming, here we cover Fire Sticks, Google TV, Android TV, streaming on PCs, Windows, all your streaming content, from apps to downloads to setup guides, basic tips, tricks, and staying safe online. So if you like that, make sure you hit that follow button. And obviously, make sure you've got yourself a VPN if you do want to stay safe online. I'm not going to go too much into that, but if you do need one, there is one linked in the description and the pinned comment. So this is my Fire Stick. I'm on a Fire Stick 4K Max. I've tested this, I've tested my Cube, and I've tested my Fire TV, and they've received this update and this feature. So let me know in the comments if your device has received it or not, what location you are, and what device it is, because it helps me know where the updates have been pushed to. So first thing you're going to do is make sure your device is up to date. So to do that, go to your settings, go to My Fire TV, click on About, and check for updates. This is how you check it's up to the latest date. Sometimes people get updates at different times. And the feature we're talking today, it's a fairly simple one. You could easily overlook it. But if you go to your settings, they've added a search bar for searching your settings. And that might think a bit, no, that's a bit pointless. But actually it's really useful, because there's many times when I'm making videos for you to follow along and you can't find what I've said. You can actually search your settings now for something you might be looking for. So, I don't know, let's have a search. Here, suggested searches, really helpful. Just really helpful. So, you know, there's a couple that most people would look for, but whether it comes up is a bit different, because a lot of people will look for developer options. And mine will go through to it, but it will depend if you have it turned on or not. But again, it's fast and it's quick. Another useful one that people might look for is maybe casting. Like casting your device. You've got Prime Video casting there. You should have meta casting as well, is another setting they have. Let's see if that one comes up. Nope, they don't like that one. But, you know, things like this is useful. You can look up audio settings. You know, a few different things come up here. Display and audio description, Prime. And it really helps you find the nitty gritty of the settings, rather than just here you've got, you know, a few quick keys, and most of them are pointless. You've got Alexa ones, help ones. Most of these notification ones you don't go into, okay? So this helps you delve into them without having to really delve into them. I thought, good little setting, which I thought I'd bring to your attention. I did notice this on Tech Doctor UK. He got to it before me to let you know. Make sure you're following his channel as well. It's a real quick video today, just a few minutes, because what more can we talk about that update? But let me know if you've got it. Make sure you check out the VPN link underneath. Hit that follow button, and we'll see you on the next one. I believe the next video we've got for you is something on Google and Android TV, so do stay tuned, and do check out the channel if you're after a new device.